Good morning and salutations, y'all. Today we got a Zildjian old school cymbal, and as you can tell by the badge right here, it says, let's see, we're getting closer image right here. We got the old school cymbal marking of the Zildjian, and it says A Zildjian CIE Constantinople. Is that it? Yeah, I believe that's all. But as you can tell, there's some serious crack damage around this area. Right here. But let's give it a little sound test before we fix this baby up. Alright, it sounds a little bit bright. But let's fix this baby up. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian. Let's take a look at this stamp. Made in the US of A. A Zildjian CIE Constantinople cymbals. And as you can tell, the crack has been smoothed out, smooth as butter. Let's give a little sound test.